All right, my friends, this video is for those that are looking to withdraw in estate, but they don't know how to withdraw. Okay, so I am just going to do a little withdrawal of $230 to show you how to get this done. Okay, when you make your withdrawal in estate, usually it takes less than 10 minutes, and this money will be in your designated wallet that you have used to make the withdrawal. Right, so let me dive right in and show you exactly how to do this. Right, so once you have money, okay, from either your agent fee, okay, commission that you get for referring people, or if you are not referring anybody at all, if you are making profit from your real estate that you have purchased, you go back into your assets, and then from your assets you will be able to withdraw and move your money from your assets to your wallet balance, which is your e-wallet. Okay, once that money is moved, you will see it here. Once you see your money in your wallet balance, okay, you will now be able to make your withdrawal, which is what I want to do right now. So I am going to enter, okay, 231.46. I'm going to take everything out, and I'm going to select Theta TROC20 because I want it to go into that my Kraken wallet. Okay, and you will see the charges that they are taking from making that withdrawal. As you can see, there is a withdrawal fee of $2.31. Okay, so the next thing you will then do is you enter your 6-digit withdrawal PIN. Okay, usually you get this PIN when you complete your registration, so make sure when you are doing your registration that you take note of that PIN. We'll send it to you via your email. Right, so I'm just going to enter my PIN just now. So that's my PIN entered, and then I will now click confirm, and you will see where it says your withdrawal request has been successfully sent and will be processed shortly. There you go. So this is how to make withdrawal. In the next few minutes, I am going to go back into this my wallet. Okay, it's my Kraken wallet, and then you will see the money there. And usually they will send you email as well to say that your money has been processed. Okay, your withdrawal has been processed. So let's dash to my email. Right here on my email, you will see where it says withdrawal confirmation. Funds successfully sent from your e-wallet. This is great. And then right here, you will see the details where the money was sent to, the destination of the wallet address, and all the information is here. The amount that has been withdrawn and that has been sent after the deduction of the withdrawal fee. Now, what I want you guys to take note of is the time. Okay, today is 27 that I'm making this withdrawal. Look at the time. This is 14:48, right? Now, I got a second email 2 minutes after from Kraken saying that there has been a deposit into my account. So let's go to that my email and confirm that as well, just to prove to you how fast estate can process withdrawal. So look at this. So this is email from Kraken, okay, telling me that you deposited funds to Kraken, and this is the time and the date. Look at the time and the date there. That's 14:15, right? 14:15, but the email I got from estate was 14:48. So 2 minutes later, they made that payment to my Kraken account. And right here, it will tell you exactly how much that was sent. $229.15. That was sent to my Kraken account. Now, let's go to my Kraken account and confirm this, right? So I logged in into my Kraken account, and I went into my activities, and of course, go to the deposit history. Right here on the deposit history in my Kraken account, you will notice that a deposit has been made. That's the date, and that is the amount that has been paid. As you can see, I have $229.15, which is what they sent right here. Okay, and that was what they sent as well here. So guys, this is proof that when you make a withdrawal from e-estate, it gets paid almost immediately, like instantly. You will get your money received. Okay, so this is how to make a withdrawal from e-estate for those of you that are not quite familiar with how to make withdrawal in e-estate. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Don't forget to sign up if you have not signed up yet. What we are doing in e-estate is we are purchasing fractional real estate. So a portion of real estate is what we are purchasing, and that is what is giving us profit on a daily basis. So this profit you can withdraw every day, just like what I am showing you just now. Okay, depending on the type of property you have purchased, that will make you to earn daily passive income without having to physically do anything on this platform, right? Everything is done for you. You do not have to, do any tasks at all. It's just for you to register, complete your KYC, deposit your money, and then purchase your real estate, and then sit back. The system will be generating daily income for you based on the amount of money that you have used to purchase your real estate. That is what we are doing here, and that is what is giving us this money every single day. Okay, you make money like this. Some people are making more than this. Some people are doing $800, $1,000 every day in e-estate, depending on how much money you have put in. So guys, this is great. I look forward to seeing you guys in my team. Don't forget to sign up with the link below this video description, and God bless as you do so. So let's earn together in e-estate if you wish to begin to receive passive income. The best time for you to join is now, right? So grab the referral link below this video description, sign up, and then let's get going with this. Thank you, and God bless.